guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm so excited for. I am about to go to Target and HomeGoods and go shopping for fall decor. I'm going to be decorating the apartment and giving it a whole new cozy fall vibe, and I'm just so excited. Let's go. I am at Target now, as you can see behind me. Yeah, let's go in. It has been so busy in here, but I have grabbed a few things. I'm gonna do a haul later, but I got like a little pillow. Their fall stuff I wouldn't say is all out yet. There's a few things, but it looks either picked through or just not out yet, but I have a few things in the cart. Sorry, I haven't been filming very much, but yeah. I just drove over to HomeGoods now, so I'm about to go in there. I didn't film a ton in Target, but I will, like, at the end of my shopping when I'm home, do a full haul of everything that I bought today, plus stuff that I already have at home that I have bought in. But yeah, I'm about to go into HomeGoods, and yeah. I will film what I can in there, but don't expect a ton of filming again, just because this is like even busier than Target, so I don't know what I'll be able to film. But yeah, so. Hey, I'm all done in HomeGoods, but I'll give you a haul when I'm home. I am home now. Bradley's down getting like everything out of the car for me. I stopped and got a Starbucks. Yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. I'm so excited, Oakley. I'm so excited. I got so much goods. I stopped at Hobby Lobby really quickly before I went home, and I got a few more things there, and I'm just so excited. I think everything's gonna go together so well, so I'm just so excited. Did you get everything at one time? You got everything at once?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a real man. Y'all are so cute. First, I got this new doormat. This is Thankful from Hobby Lobby. It was like 20 bucks, but it was 40% off. Hobby Lobby. Ah!
I think it wasn't the salt.
I got these little like florals from Hobby Lobby. I think they'll look really good in a vase once I rearrange them. I got this little like thingy. This is snuggle season. Look at this vase. It's like a amber vase. I think that's the color. It's like wood garland to put around on the shelves. TJ Maxx. Pretty candle. It's such a pretty one. It's Natural Essentials, and it smells like fall. I don't know what it smells like. And I got these two like candles you don't burn to put on the little candle holders that I bought, which I have to find them, but these, like a orange one and a cream one. Candle holders, I'm gonna put them on the shelf. One's short, one's not short. I got this little plant that's in a football. Look at this. It's so cute. It's like miniature wreath. I thought would be cute to hang like somewhere. I don't know where, but I got more dried like florally stuff. This little tiny pumpkin. Boop. I got this vase, which is like another like amber one, but it's lighter, more clear. Got this like orange glass pumpkin. Pretty. And to put on the shelf, I thought would be cute. For bed, I got this little thing to go under our comforter, like a light cream thing. Target. I didn't get a ton from Target, but I got this to put our utensils in. I have a little white one now, but I think this one was so cute. It's like patterned. Cute. I got this like short, it's like a cake stand, but I'm gonna put like the soap and stuff on it. I've seen that on Pinterest. These little jars that I'm gonna actually put like coffee syrup in to make them pretty, and this was in the dollar section for $3. Then I got some boring stuff. I got this command hook to hang the wreath on the door. And then I got this cleaning spray that's like fall scented. This little blanket for $10. It's so soft. I just thought it was so soft and cute. And then this little throw pillow for the couch that has little pumpkins on it. Got this comforter from Target yesterday. It's this brand, the Casaluna. It's a really good fall color, but I just wanted to get something different than the white, because the white's starting to look a little dingy just because we've had it forever now, and it's time for change. Then I got this bright orange vase to put like pampas grass in to change out from like the little palm by the mirror so that it's more fall. From Home Goods the other day, I got this giant like golden pillow for the couch. Also from Home Goods that same day, I got 2 throw blankets. I got this one for like a pretty throw that you don't wrap up in. And then I bought this fluffy one for wrapping up in. That's really freaking soft. Home Goods has the softest blankets ever. This wreath for outside our door, and then this like more stuff, like dry stuff. That is everything I got accumulated for fall decor. I'm so excited. I got so much. Look at it all in here.
Really quickly, I wanted to talk about a website called Later. Later is an Instagram marketing platform for anyone to use. It's really helpful for if you're trying to build your Instagram up and turn it into a job. Later helps streamline your social media strategy so you can set yourself up for more sales and success. Later's goal is to simplify Instagram marketing and make it accessible for businesses of all sizes, individuals and solopreneurs, so that any business can reach out to you for business opportunities. And the website includes features like visual scheduling so you can plan out your feed and post, media management, marketing, and analytics for your Instagram so you can really control, what's going on your Instagram, see your growth of followers, see when you have to post for business ads, see when is the best time to post, and really just strategize and plan out your Instagram so you can grow and really make it into a career. It's really helpful as a social media influencer. I obviously want to be organized when it comes to all of my social medias, and Later helps me a ton with Instagram for scheduling when I need to post, making sure I know when I need to post business stuff, and just really making sure my feed looks good and I know when I'm posting everything. It's super helpful, and if you're trying to build up your Instagram, I would really recommend it. It'll help you a ton. You guys can get Later Premium with my code Olivia21 for 1 month free. So definitely check it out. If you're trying to build your Instagram, I would really recommend it. And you can use Olivia21 for a month of free premium. So definitely check it out. I know a bunch of people want to build their Instagram, and this is a really great way to have businesses find you so you can grow all over Instagram. So yeah, definitely check it out. Olivia21, I'll have the link in my description box below, and yeah.
Can we take a long way home? There's some things I want to know. A couple questions if I could. Hope I'm not misunderstood on the long way home. Yeah. On the long way home. On the long way home. Look at this. We both took a risk. Who would've thought back then that we both end up like this? Oh yeah, I ain't had a plan. She said, boy, we better get to it. Gonna be a long ride. We gon' need more than love to get through it. We gon' 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 get through it. You can trust me, I'm a man, I'm a word. If I say it, I'ma do it. When I'm down, point me straight to it. You make me laugh and you, babe. Every day you renew it. Can we take a long way home? There's some things I want to know. A couple questions if I could. Hope I'm not misunderstood on the long way home. On the long way home. On the long way home.
So, quick little overview. Hi, Oakley. I basically rearranged the shelves a ton. The main portion of the fall decor is the living room, but here's the shelves that I did. I love the candles. I think they're so cute. So that's like the biggest thing. I really rearranged the shelves and did the couch all pretty. Blankets and pillows are from Home Goods and Target. And then I did all of the flower arrangements. I think they look so cute. They're scattered around the house. You guys saw me do that. So here is an overview of the living room. I did this little floral here by the mirror. Looks so cute. Right here, I did this little cake stand for our soap, and I did this little flowers. It's so cute. I love this so much. I think it's adorable. The bedroom looks so cozy with this darker, you know, darker bedding. And this bedding's from Target. I love it. It's so cute. It's so comfy too. And I added this light little blanket underneath just for a touch under there, and I think it's just so nice. I do need some pillows, but I didn't find any, so that just might come in the future. But I really like this bedding. I added a touch into the bathroom with the floral, and I have a pumpkin room spray. It smells so good, but I think this just adds a little touch, and it's so cute. I added some fall little towels. I think they look so cute. I mean, they're not anything super specific, but I think it just looks really nice in here and cozy, and I might add more here and there, but this is it for now. I really hope you guys enjoyed me transforming our apartment into a fall vibe. I love it. It's so cozy. It's so cute. I hope you loved it. So thank you so much for watching. Oakley's crying because we're about to leave for a trip and he doesn't know what's going on, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.